So it's Monday the 25th of November and I've been on my laptop doing a few videos, and I've scrolled past an event that's coming up on the 8th of December, which is the GC50 running festival. So I thought, why not challenge myself and do something different? I'm going to register myself and I'm going to choose to do the 15-kilometer event. I'm also going to try raise some money for RUOK, which is a national suicide prevention charity. So that means it gives me 14 days, it gives me 2 weeks to train every day, challenge myself to do that and get myself ready for a 15-kilometer race, which I've never done before. I've done it, I've registered for the event, and I've also created my fundraiser page for RUOK, and I've set a goal of $1,000 in 2 weeks. So I'll be sharing that around on Instagram and Facebook, and hopefully people will donate. I guess now I have to start training. Day one. Done. It's the Wednesday before the event and the run is on Sunday, and we've reached about $500 for the fundraising for RUOK, which is awesome. So I just want to say thank you to everyone that has contributed to that, and everyone who's shared it with their family and friends. It really means a lot, and all the money's going towards a great cause. So I've reached out to a company in Brisbane called the T-Shirt Co, who do custom printed t-shirts. So I've contacted them to see if I can get a shirt or a singlet made that says I'm running for suicide prevention to wear on the day of the event. It's 4:30 in the morning and it's race day, so we got to head to the Gold Coast now to where the event is, and then check in and then do the run. All for a good cause, so thank you everyone to donating. It was about $1,300, so thank you very much.